I want to show you how you can dominate legendary marketer affiliate program. And the best part, you can give away products for free, or to say you give away stuff for free and make a whole lot of money, not only with legendary marketer, but with multiple high ticket affiliate programs. You might have heard about some of the top legendary affiliates, such as Camilla Markson, Rebecca Duncan, Spencer Malcolm, Stephen Chin, Nathan Lucas, who got me into legendary marketer in 2019. But what does these affiliates have in common? They are making 6 to 7 figure with affiliate marketing for a legendary marketer affiliate program. However, it's not just in legendary market affiliate program alone, they are making these lots of money. What they are doing is definitely having something ready to give to you for free, and within their content, they do not talk about the product and what the product can do for you. They give you the benefits of what result you can get once you join with them. They talk definitely about their journey, their life, their way of living. They have never discussed to say that they are trying to get you on the affiliate program or on legendary program, or to say on the clickbank program. What they are definitely giving to you is information of how their life being transformed. The transformation of their life is what they are sharing. And for you to make a difference within the legendary affiliate program and the other rest of affiliate program within the high ticket, what you need to do is to create something to give to your prospects for free, such as an ebook, a course, some form of PDF within a cheat sheet, or something that can help to move the needle for your prospect to move from A to B. So the next thing that you have to offer to move them from B to C, that you want to give them a 15 days challenge, or perhaps you want to give them something else. That's where you're going to be able to move them from B to C. And then you will continue to move them along the way so they can also reach the point of their pain point being moving away from them. If you want to make money online right now, stop talking about the program and start giving. Nathan really used to get me into the legendary marketer was the way his life was changing, the way his life was transforming from not just being in the army or to say in the military, but Nathan was making money on the side that he could quit from being in the military and to have his life of freedom and happiness, that he could even move from where he lived at the very moment to a next place, a next location where he become more comfortable with his wife and kids. And this transformation really got me to join with him. And once I joined in with him, get his free ebook, he introduced me to the legendary affiliate program. Now, if you want a free training on how you can do this, you can always check the link in the description where I can give you the free training. And if you also need an unfair software that can give you everything that you need right now to start doing the affiliate program, which you will get a free course to give away, and you will also get an entire sequence of 350 emails ready to send out towards your prospects. Then you can also click the second link in the description, because the second link is what will really give you access towards this unfair software that will help you to make money from high tickets affiliate. And you will have over 15 plus different affiliates that you will be making money from. So you will receive a commission every month, a nice way for you to start having your life of freedom. Now, You can just decide that you want to go ahead right now and start creating your lead magnet, or just join my course where you get the entire training on how to use these methods in order to make your 6 to 7 figures per month. Now you can start the journey, or you can just decide that you want to just continue to watch next YouTube video. Also, I can also show you the way that you can use AI tools to make money online. If you want to really do that side hustle, then you can decide to go ahead and watch this video right away.